Today we're unboxing this condiment server caddy here. I'm going to unbox this so you guys see what it comes with. Now the nice thing about this caddy, I had the brand send it out to me for review, is the fact that you can actually just add ice to the bottom of it. So that way if you're having like a little party, you want to have like cold stuff on. It could even be like condiments, like, you know, ketchup, mustard, mayo, anything like that that you kind of want to put out there with some spoons. You can put out things like fruits and things like that inside these containers too as well. So there's many different ways to do that. Or if you're setting like a little bar area up that you need like lemons and whatever it might be, this thing is going to be perfect for any kind of party that you might have, or even weddings too, you know? So let's go ahead and check this here out. So here we go. You can kind of see how it comes. It's well wrapped, comes in a nice bubble wrap right there. Let's go ahead and, oh, it also comes with a mat too. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the mat. Nice thing about having a mat like this one right here is the fact that if anything like condensates on here from the ice and things like that, this mat right here will go ahead and catch it for you. Or if there's any kind of spills or anything like that going on with it. So let's go ahead and take the mat out here. There we go. So there's a little bit of curvature to the mat. So what you want to do before you're going to use this right here, if you're need it right away, that's fine. But you kind of just want to have it flat. Put like a book or something like that on top of it. That's also a good way. If you need to quickly get rid of this right here because it's rubber, add a little bit like a hair dryer to kind of heat it up a little bit, or flip it over like this right here and go ahead and do that same thing too as well. Now it'll kind of help flatten out these kind of mats. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, really, really cool. So I like the fact that it fits really, really good on the mat. That's the first thing. Let's go in. The opening and the closing of the top is smooth. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look how smooth this is. This is going to be perfect for any kind of party, guys. Any kind of party. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at all the trays here with these. And you just go ahead and add all your ice all the way at the bottom down here to go ahead and keep everything cold. If you don't need anything cold, then you know you don't have to add ice if you don't want to. Now the nice thing is that you can also drain the water out of here without removing these. Because I just noticed on the side over here, there's a little spout that you can go ahead and undo like this. Look at this. Over on this side over here, I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. There's this green thing right here. Look. You go ahead and take this out, and any kind of water that might be inside will automatically just kind of drain out of there. So if you need to drain it on the floor or in like a cup or something like that, there you go. Super easy, man. Okay, let me show you. So here it is. Look how nice and easy this is. It comes with like this little lip right here, so we easily go ahead and just pull it up like that. Oh, this is a game changer. It also has two lips on the side to make it very mobile, be able to carry this thing around. And look how deep these are. You're gonna be able to put a ton of things in here. Tons of berries and everything else. Whole bunch of like lemons, anything else that you want to kind of be in there. Like I said, if you have like a burger kind of thing going on, if you're having like a barbecue, this thing will be awesome for that because you'll be able to put like your mayo, your pickles, and anything else like condiments in there that you want. Just throw some spoons in there. You're good to go. It's going to keep it nice and cold. Just put the ice on the bottom. It's going to be a game changer. You're going to be the talk of the party, and hopefully you found this helpful.